He is writing a novel at the moment. इस लम्हे वो नॉवल लिख रहा है. अब इसका पैसिव क्या होगा? A novel is being written. यानी पैसिव वॉइस में आप being यूज करेंगे. A novel is being written by him at the moment. ये by जो है कंपल्सरी नहीं है, ये ऑप्शनल है अगर आप मेंशन करना चाहें. He has just finished a novel. वो अभी अभी नॉवल मुकम्मल कर चुका है या उसने अभी अभी नॉवल मुकम्मल किया है. A novel has just been finished by him. यानी एक नॉवल अभी अभी मुकम्मल हुआ है. He gave Tom a book. उसने टॉम को एक किताब दी. A book was given to Tom by him. या फिर Tom was given a book by him. दोनों तरह से ये करेक्ट हो. He was writing a letter at 8 yesterday. कल रात 8 बजे वो खत लिख रहा था. Past continuous. A letter was being written by him. He had finished his homework before 8 yesterday. वो 8 बजे से पहले अपना काम खत्म कर चुका था. His homework had been finished by him before 8 yesterday. He will finish the homework. Future tense. He will finish the homework. वो काम मुकम्मल करेगा. Passive voice. The homework will be finished. Tom will be cooking lunch at 10 tomorrow. कल 10 बजे Tom lunch पका रहा होगा. Passive. Lunch will be being cooked by Tom at 10 tomorrow. By the end of next week, he will have written 10 letters to her. अगले हफ्ते के इख्तिताम तक वो उस लड़की को 10 खत लिख चुका होगा. Passive voice. By the end of next week, 10 letters will have been written to her. We can't solve this problem. हम इस मसले को हल नहीं कर सकते हैं. This problem can't be solved. ये मसला हल नहीं हो सकता है. My father had Tom wash his car. अब इसको हम कहते हैं causative sentence. यानी मेरे बाप ने टॉम से गाड़ी धुलवाई. माई फादर हैड टॉम वॉश हिज कार. ये है कॉजेटिव सेंटेंस. माई फादर हैड हिज कार वॉश्ड बाय टॉम. मेरे बाप ने टॉम के जरिए गाड़ी धुलवाई. ही वॉन्ट्स समवन टू टेक फोटोग्राफ्स. वो चाहता है कि कोई तस्वीरें ले. ही वॉन्ट्स फोटोग्राफ्स टू बी टेकन. वो चाहता है कि तस्वीरें ली जाएं. The gravity makes things drop down. यानी कशिश शकल की वजह से चीजें नीचे गिरती हैं. Things are made to drop down by the gravity. चीजें गिरा दी जाती हैं या गिर जाती हैं ग्रेविटी की वजह से. He urged the council to reduce the tax. उसने काउंसिल से इल्तिजा की या उनको ताकीद की कि वो टैक्स को कम करें. अब क्या होगा पैसिव? The council was urged to reduce the tax. और अगर आप कहना चाहें by him. He urged the council to reduce the tax. He urged that the tax should be reduced. ये भी इसका passive voice होगा. People said that he was jealous of her. It was said that he was jealous of her. People said को it was said passive voice में convert करेंगे. People said that he was jealous of her or he was said to be jealous of her. People say that he was jealous of her. It is said that he was jealous of her. यूं भी आप इसे कह सकते हैं. People say that he was jealous of her. He is said to have been jealous of her. He recommended using bulletproof glass. Passive voice है. He recommended that bulletproof glass should be used. I remembered my father taking me to the zoo. Passive voice. I remember being taken to the zoo by my father. मुझे याद है चिड़ियाघर ले जाया जाना मेरे फादर का. She started to learn English 5 years ago. उसने 5 साल पहले इंग्लिश सीखना शुरू की. English started to be learned 5 years ago. English 5 साल पहले सीखना शुरू हुई. She started learning English 5 years ago. English started being learned 5 years ago. Thank you very much. You have learned the passive voice of all the tenses. Keep in mind, These days it is not recommended that one should use passive voice, क्योंकि जब आप passive voice यूज करते हैं तो जो ड्यू क्रेडिट है वो नहीं मिलता. Try to use active voice and your sentences will be correct.